Welcome to the day two session of Java programming, guys. So in this session, we will get to know about how Eclipse works. Okay, so Eclipse is one of the best IDE. So most of the companies uses IDE, this IDE only. Okay, Eclipse only. So how Eclipse works? In a previous session, I have shown you right how to install Eclipse. Okay, so in today's session, I will show you how it works. So what are the things there? Okay, and yeah, let me open Eclipse. So this is the one Eclipse. You can see the icon as well. And if you open, you won't get all these things. You will get a blank page. Simple. Okay, and you can see there is something called JRE. JRE. So what is JRE, guys? Java Runtime Environment. So you have to download a JRE in your laptop. So then only the Java works, right? Yes. Then only the Java works in your laptop. So you have to download a JRE in your laptop. Okay. So what JRE contains? It contains all the files, the base files. Okay. To do any calculations, to compile a program, to do any internal works, to do the JDK thing, okay, the development thing, to provide the security, okay, to develop an app. For the developers, we use this one, right, IDE, right? All these things will be contained in this JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So we have to download this file in our laptop. So I hope you guys have this JRE file in your laptops. Good. And coming to the next one, here we have a SRC. SRC matlab source, okay, and we have a default package. Okay, so if you have any package in your laptop, like in Eclipse, so it won't show any packages. Simply, it will show the default package. Okay, so let me show you how to make a package. Okay, so you guys have the question, sir. What is package? What is package? So let me show you an example. Okay, I will show you the example. Just a minute. Just a minute. Simple. That's it. And then after, just a minute. I will show you guys. So what is this one and all? I will tell you. Right. So yeah, when you have installed the Eclipse, guys, you won't get all these things. So what you have to do? Okay, I will explain in a while. Okay. So firstly, let me show you the basic structure of Java programming. Okay. I will explain about the Eclipse in a while. Let me show you the basic structure of Java first. Okay. So if you go to the structure, yeah, so the hello world program. Okay, so you can see this is the first program that you guys has to do. Okay, yeah, everyone has to submit this one to me. Okay, it's an easy one. Okay, so there is no complicated things on all. It's a easy program. Okay, so what is program? What is program? In the yesterday session I told you, right, what is program, what is high level programming language, what is low level programming language. You got night. Yeah, so in that program you write the statements firstly. So what is statements? So we have so many questions, guys. What is package, what is statements, what is program? Okay, so let me go through one by one. hmm? Let me go through one by one. So package. So yeah, so as I told you, so you guys wrote the coding, you guys wrote the classes, the programs. Okay, good. To save all those programs, to save all those methods. Okay, just guys, just remember the keywords. That's simple, very simple. Okay, so the package is called as a simple file which stores all the regarding programs, all the regarding methods. I won't teach you with official definitions and all, guys. I won't teach you with official definitions. I will teach you in my way. Okay, just remember those words. Package is a file which stores, just remember in this way, simple, which stores all the related all the related programs or methods. You may call it as methods or functions also. So the question is that, sir, what is package? Same question. Okay. So if you see this one, the default package. So this one is the file. Okay, this one is like a simple file, default package. So if I open this one, you can see all the programs I have written in the previous sessions. These are from the previous sessions. Okay, so this file contains all the programs, the Java programs. So each file saves with .java. Yes, each program saves with the file name with .java. You can see abstract example.java, card details.java, customer.java, all these files. Okay, so these all will be saved in default package. Okay, so it is like a file. Okay, so why we need this package, guys? Simple. Okay, the related programs, the related methods. Okay, as I told you, the related methods, the related programs. Okay, if I have to tell an example. Okay, let's take mathematics. Can I take mathematics? Yeah, mathematics formulas, mathematics functions. Yeah. So can I say addition is a mathematics function? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, yep, and division. Yeah. So you may like you guys know all these things, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So these all comes under arithmetic operations, right? Arithmetics, yeah, maths. Okay, so we are grouping all these functions. We are grouping all these functions with a name, right? Yes, maths, mathematics, arithmetic. If I have to specify now, those are called arithmetic operators. Yeah, arithmetics. Hmm? So like we are grouping all these things with a single name, that is called as mathematics functions, right? Similarly for all these mathematics programs, for all these mathematics functions, we will create a package. The simple package we will create. Okay, so these all programs will be saved in that package. Got it? Got it, right? Yes. And the best example, another best example is taking orders. Okay, so when we are creating a project. Okay, so we are making a project now. Okay, we are creating a project now and we are writing the code for that project. Okay, let's take Swiggy or Zomato. Okay, for that Zomato app we are writing the code. Okay, and there is functions, right, guys? In the Zomato app you can see the functions. What is the functions? Making the payment is a function. Okay, placing the order is a function. Okay, and like getting the order is a function, right? Making bill is a function, paying amount is a function, and orders is a function, restaurants is a function, like that. Okay, like we will separate all those things and we will write the code. For billing purpose we will write another code. For billing purpose we will write another code. Okay, for order purpose we will write another code. For taking orders we will write another code. Okay, how orders works, how placing order works? We will see the restaurant, we will see the item, simply click the button, so order will be placed. Simple, right? Yes. For that one we will write the code. Okay, so that code will be separately saved in this package, in the order package. The orders package, the code will be saved. Good, right? Yes. And we will create another package now. We will create another package now. In that package we will write the billing code, the billing amount code, the billing things. Okay, to place the to pay the to make the payments and all now, we write another code and we will create another package. So that's how we do the project actually. Yes. And one team works on this package. Okay, one team works on this package and another team works on the second package, the billing package, they will work. Yes, that's how a real-time project works in the real-time company. Okay, got it, right? What is package? Hmm? So all the order details will be saved in one package. all the billing details will be saved in another package, and we will merge, and we will use some encapsulation methods like getters and setters. We will merge them, so that both packages now we will merge them, simple. So that is the first one, guys, the package. So we got an idea, right? So the first one is the package. So how to create a package in Eclipse? How to create a package in Eclipse? Simple. Go to the file. So you can see the file right here in the top corner. File. Click on it and select new. Select the option new, and yeah, come to this one. So if you guys want to create a project now, yes, you can create a project. Okay. So the single project, entire project will be saved. Okay, I will show you that one in the later sessions. Okay, to create a package now, scroll down, you can see create a Java package. Okay, create a Java package, click on this one. Yes, and give a name for the package. Give a name for the package, and make sure the guys, make sure that don't start with numbers, don't start with any special characters. Okay, start with a letter, simple letters, alphabet numbers, sorry, alphabet letters. Okay, for the package name, don't use complex things. Simply write a alphabet letter. Okay, so this one is the second package. No spaces allowed, guys, no spaces allowed, you can see. Okay. Okay, and don't start with capital letter as well. Don't start with any capital letters, it will give you the warning as well. Okay, it will give you a warning. So let me show you the warning. See, I got a warning now. Start with a lowercase letter. Okay, the first letter has to be small letter. Got it? Yes, there is no error now. Got it right? Yeah. And click on the finish. Simple. And you got a another package now. See, another package we got. Okay, the first package and the second package. Okay, that is the how we create the package, guys, and in that package we write all the codes regarding to that package only. Okay, all the mathematical operations na we will do in that package. Okay, got it? Yeah. So that is the package, and we have to it will be automatically declared, guys. So selecting the package and all, it will be automatically declared. No need to write anything, no need to write anything, it will be automatically selected actually. That's the best feature of this Eclipse. And the next one is uh, class. So creating a class. So guys, up to this part clear now, up to this part clear now. I will explain about the class now. I will explain you about the class now. Moti, you have to speak in English, you have to type in English, don't use Telugu na. So Java programming, don't type in Telugu, guys. You have to use English, guys. Use English only in the chat. Java program, it is officially created as a project. So this one is a like a project only. Got it now, guys? Give a thumbs up in the chat. Up to this part clear now. So all of you created a package now, right? All of you created a package, right? I hope so. You created the package. Okay, good. Give a thumbs up in the chat. Okay, good. So the next step is about the classes, guys. So as I told you, Java is a object-oriented programming language. So then we have to use classes and objects in our programming. Okay, what is class, sir? What is class actually? You guys have the question now. So what is class? Can anyone give the definition of class? The official definition. I want to use the official definition, but you, give me a definition. Okay. Okay, Lakshmi. So it is object oriented. It has objects and classes. Good. Okay. So class is collection of objects. Good. The simple definition I need now. I don't need official now. I need a simple definition now. Or else we can say collection of data members and member functions. Oh, good, good, good. Okay, guys. We got the basic definition now. Yes, Srinivas. Yeah. So simply, guys, don't use complex definitions. Simply understand. Class contains it contains methods and variables. What is method, sir? What is variable, sir? So integrated with objects. So as Lakshmi told you, okay, collection of objects, right? Yes. So everything we consider it as an object now from now onwards. Okay. So what is object, sir? How to use it for everything, guys? If you're creating a method now, okay. If you guys are creating a method now, you have to call it with a object only. Yes. So how to create a object now? Simply use the class. With the class name, we will create the object. Simple. With the object, we will call the method. Vice versa. And coming to the variables now, you guys get to know what is variables, what is methods, and all. Okay. So remember this point, guys. What is class? Class contains methods, variables. Okay, with objects. Okay. Let me show you the syntax. Class ka syntax. So class has to start with a keyword, default keyword, class only. Yes. So you have to give the name as class only. Yeah, you have to mention the keyword. The exact keyword you have to give, guys. Class. So what is this exact keyword? We call it as reserved keyword. Okay. CLASS. It's a reserved keyword. You have to use it for class declaration only. Okay. If you use it for any of those things now, any other functions, it won't work. It will show you the error. Okay. So when you are writing a program like this one, in the starting, you have to mention the class. The exact keyword you have to mention. The exact keyword you have to mention now. Okay. And we can't able to use it for package names. No, you can't able to use it for packages names. And you can't able to use it for variable names. Don't use it. Because it's a reserved keyword. What is reserved keyword, sir? Reserved keyword is the one which is already pre-booked. Okay, it has some specific functionality. The keyword is pre-booked for specific functionality. Okay, you can't use it for normal things. You have to use it for the specific functionality only, like class. This keyword is used for declaring the class, and give the name, class name. No spaces, no spaces, guys, and don't use the capital letters and all. Use the small letters. Okay. And yeah, guys, what happened? Okay, nothing. Right. So this is the syntax, guys. This is the syntax. Okay. So we have to enter the keyword class, then after the class name, and the open parenthesis and the closed. We call it as flower brackets actually. Okay. Open flower brackets and the closed flower brackets. Okay. In my childhood, we call it as flower brackets only. So keep it like that. So this is the open flower bracket and this is the closed flower brackets. So these brackets will represents the starting point of the class and the ending point of the class. Okay. So in between, you will write the code, guys. The statements you will write. Okay. In between these braces. Okay. So those statements will belong to the that specific class only. Got it right? Yes, got it. So what is the statement now? What is statement now? You guys have the question. That's clear, right? What is class? Clear now? Yes, class simply contains the methods and the functions, variables as well. Okay, to do the specific work. Okay, guys, some of you getting something else. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, so when you install the Java, sorry, Eclipse, when you have installed the Eclipse in your laptop, you will get a blank page. Okay, how to start now? Simple. Click on this file button and go to new and create a project. Java project. Create a project. Simple. Give a name now. Simply give a name. First project, because you won't get all these things. Simply give a name now, create a project, and click on this finish button. Working sets, object root source classes. Just click it, simple. Yeah, so you got it right. First project. That's how we create a project now. Okay, so then after after creating a first project, you have to create a package now. Okay, you can create number of packages. Okay, in the first project, in this project you have to create the packages now. So how to create a package? Simple. Go to file now, go to new, and click on package. I want to give the name. Don't give the capital letters. First package. Okay, don't use the spaces and all, guys. Go in a good way. You can give the spaces as well, but go in a good way. And select the source as the first project, the project that you have. And I am selecting this one now. Finish. So you can see the first project contains the library things that we needed. Those are the default packages we needed. And the first project package we created. Okay. So now we write the program in this first package. In this first package now we will write the program now. So how to write a program? Simple. Go to file, go to new, and click on class. Yes. Each program saves with a class. It is associated with a class. Okay, click on class now and give a name, guys. Don't use the capital letters because class name starts with small letter only. So the first class. And if it is a main class, guys, there is something called main class, normal class. Okay, so the main class contains public static void main string args. Okay, if that one is a main class, yes, every program has to be with this main method. I do know that, but if you need it only now, then the select this bracket. Okay, if you guys need public static void main, select this one. Otherwise, don't select this one. Okay, click on finish. So the first Java program is created now. Got it? Got it? Got it? Yeah. So the first package we selected, the first class is created now, and the public static environment we got it. Clear Namoti? Clear? Clear Namoti? Guys, clear now? How to create a project, how to create a package, how to create a class. Okay. So in this class we will write the programs. So guys, if you want to create another class now, sir, how to create another class? Simple. Go to file, new, and select class. Make sure that the project you have selected correctly, the package you have selected correctly, and give the class name. Second class. Yeah. So yeah, I have first class with public static void main guys, and I have second class with nothing. Simple class declaration. Got it now? Got it now? Yeah. So in this one, we get to know what is this class and what is this class name. So in this place, you will enter the class name, guys. It has to start with the small letter only. Don't use the numbers and all. Okay, it will raise a error when you use the numbers or special characters. It will raise a error. Simple. And class has to start with the flower braces and ends with the flower braces. Okay, so in these braces we will write the code, the statements. Okay, so if the class is a main class now, we have to write a public static void main string args. So what is this one, sir? So this one is called as access modifier or access specifier. Okay, it tells about the access thing. Okay, so if it is public, it is available for everyone. If it is private, it won't be available for everyone. Simple. If it is public na, everyone can access this class. If it is private, simple private, like this. If it is private na, so this one can't able to it won't available for everyone. Simple. Okay. And simple public, we have mentioned here. So what is public? Public access modifier is for the same method as well. What is method now? What is method now? Okay, so it is a snippet of the code which does the specific functionality for us. Okay, so each method will do a specific functionality, guys. Simple. We will write the code. Okay, in a method we will write the lines of code. Okay, in a method we will write the lines of code. That lines of code will do the exact specific functionality that we needed. Simple. So if you guys want to do 2 plus 2, addition of 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Okay, what is the answer? 4. I know that. I know 4 is the answer. Okay. To do this calculation, you have to write 5 lines of code. Yes. You have to write 5 lines of code to do this calculation. Okay. So it's a function, right? It's a method, it's a work. Nothing but a work. Okay. To do this specific work, you have to write a specific method for that. So that's why we call it as method. To do the exact work that you needed, you have to write the exact method for that. Got it right? Yes. So yeah, how to declare a method now, sir? Guys, I am going in a speed way. I do know that in the upcoming sessions. Okay, in the upcoming sessions we have all these topics. We will get to know about access specifiers. We will get to know more about methods. Okay, we will get to know about the constructors, how method works, method overloading, method overriding. All these things we will get to know in the upcoming sessions. But I have to give you a overview, right? Yes. So yeah, every project, every package has to contain a single method, guys. That is the rule actually. Okay, that method is called as that method is called as default method. Okay, that method is called as method. Okay, so this is the default method, guys. Yes, this one is the default method, as I told you. Okay, so method is the one which does the specific work. Okay, good, sir. Okay, we will create the method, sir. Well and good, but every package should contain a single default method that is called as public static void main. Yes, this one is called as default method, guys. Exactly how to mention exact words, we have to mention exact words. exact declaration you have to mention. Clear now? Clear now, guys? Okay. So I will explain what is this public. In the future sessions, you will get to know about access specifiers more. Okay. You will get to know more about the methods, declaration, and all. Okay. So in this default method, what we do actually, we will call the methods that we created. We will utilize the methods that we have created and the variables, everything. The object declare the object creation will goes here. Okay, everything will goes from here. The execution of the program will start from the main method. Remember the point. Remember the point. The execution of the program will start from the main method. Okay, so that one is the main method, and the entire project execution will start from here. Okay, so method has a open braces and a closure braces. Got it right? Yes. So in this open braces, in closure braces, we will write the program. Okay, so I want to print a simple thing now. System dot out dot. See, this is the best feature actually. Okay, Eclipse has this best feature. Without writing everything, it will simply displays the statements that you have to write. Okay, but I will write my own self only. Double quotes. Hello world, and it will show you the error as well. If it is there any error, na, it will show you the error, and it will tell the error as well, guys. See, so syntax error mentioned semicolon. Okay, okay, cool. So no error now. Let me show you again. It is showing a error now. You can see the error, and it is telling the error as well. Syntax error. Syntax error matlab there is something missing in the structure. Okay, and it is telling the error as well. Mention semicolon. So yeah, every statement ends with semicolon, guys. Remember the point. This one is the semicolon. Every statement ends with semicolon. So that's why there is an ending now. What is statement, guys? What is statement? You have the question. So it's a simple command. It's a simple command. Okay. So the each statement ends with semicolon, and each statement is like a command to that mission. Okay, the mission will understand. So this is the command I have to do it now. Okay, this is the work I have to do it now. Got it right? Yes. So method is the work we call what is method? It's like a work that you have to perform. Okay, and method contains the number of statements in it. Yes, method contains the statements in it. Each statement is like a command to that mission. Okay, each statement is like a command to that mission. Okay, so when you are performing a method now, when you are executing a method, the statements will get executed, the commands will get executed, the mission will follow the work. Simple. So I am writing a command now, the statement. Okay, this one is a statement. So I wrote a statement now, system dot out dot println hello world. Simple. So how to run, guys? How to run? In the Eclipse we have something called run button. So in the top you can see run, click on it, and we have the options now. You can debug it actually. Okay, you will get to know, so what is debug and all you will get to know. Okay, so simply click on this run button. Yep, and we got the output. We got the output, guys. Let me show you again how to run a project. Click on after writing the project. Okay, so after running the program, click on this run button, and we have the first option run. Click on run, and yeah, you will get the output in this one console. Got it right? Yes. So let me show you what is this line, what is this statement. Okay, system dot out dot println is like a default method, guys. Yes, as I told you. Method is the specific work, right? Yes. And we have default methods now. Okay, so the default methods will do the specific work allocated to it. Okay, system dot out dot println. S has to be capital S. Okay, exactly have to mention. So what it will do, it will print the it will print the value that I have mentioned in the braces. You can see in the braces you have mentioned something, right? Yes, exactly, it will print it like that. Exactly. Okay, so if you mention hi world, hi world, click on run, click on run, click on OK, and we got hi world. That is the output. Got it? Yes. So if you see, I am mentioning in a double quotes now. Okay, what you have mentioned in the double quotes will exactly printed like that. Okay, so if you skip the double quotes now, it will make a error. You can see it is making a error now. Okay, to print exactly, you have to use the double quotes. Okay, sir, it's good actually. Okay, good, but I don't want to print exactly. I want to do some calculations. I want to print something. Okay, like int age equal to 10. Hmm? So age in the double quote. See, in the double quotes, I am mentioning the exact words will get printed. Okay, in the double quotes, I am mentioning my age is the exact double quotes. It will get printed exactly like this. Okay, let me run this one now. See, I got something here, guys. My age is 10. It is telling 10, but I haven't mentioned the 10 here. But how I got the 10 now? I haven't mentioned the 10 in these braces. So what's the trick is, the thing that you are mentioning in this double quotes will get printed exactly like that. Then after you can see I have done something like is called as concatenation. The plus symbol is there, right? Yes, that plus symbol is used for concatenation. Okay, and I have mentioned the age. Okay, this one is called as variable. Okay, variable is the one which stores the data. Okay, so to do a specific work we have to use the data, right? Yes, to do a specific work we have to do the we have to store the data. Yes, and that data will be stored in the variables. Okay, there is something called variables which stores the data values. Okay, you can see this one is the variable, and it is storing the data value 10, and the 10 is a number, right? Yes, 10 is a integer value, it is a integer number. So that's why I have mentioned int. Okay, in the tomorrow session I will show you what is variables, what is data types, how this works. Okay, but listen, just know about this thing, how a program works. I have written this simple program, the I have written this simple method. Okay, firstly I have written a simple statement. This is the command, system.out.println means print the value. Simple. And this command is working now. How it is working? The method is working now. How it is working? The class is working now. How the class is working? The entire program is working now. The entire package is working now. So that's how we got the output. The mission is telling that, the system is telling that the my age is 10, the value. Got it? Yes. Yes, guys. So that's how we write our first program in Java program. In the tomorrow session, you will get to know about how variables works and what are the basic things you have to learn. Okay, we have a detailed PPT as well. Okay, from the tomorrow session onwards. So as I told you, as I written the code now. Okay, I have written a code, small code, right? So you can see the code from here. I have written the small code here, right? The program. Okay, so how this program works? So when you write a program, okay, something works in the background. Okay, something works in the background. So how it works? Firstly, you have written the Java program. You have written the Java program. Okay, good. And that Java program will be saved with .java file. Let me show you. So this Java program is saved with .java. Can you see this one? First class .java. Can you see? Yes, it is saved as first class .java. Yeah, the file name is .java extension. Then after the code will get compiled, guys. What is compilation? What is compilation? What is compiler? You can see Java compiler is going on, right? What is compilation? What is compiler? Matlab, the entire code is in high level programming language. As I told you, the entire program is in high level programming language. So mission won't understand this program. Okay, so what will happen? The Java compiler, that a tool, the compiler is a tool. Okay, that compiler will convert this high level program into low level program. Okay, the entire high level program will be converted to low level program, which is understandable by the machine. Yes. Okay, so that program we call it as bytecode. Simple bytecode. Okay, the machine understandable code we call it as bytecode. So as a human I can't able to understand the bytecode. Simple. So the bytecode will be saved in dot class file. It is not saved with dot java file, it is saved with dot class. Okay, the low level program will be saved in dot class file. Got it right? Yes. Then after that class file will go to the JVM, the Java virtual machine. Okay, what is JVM, guys? What is JVM? Java virtual machine. JVM is one of the best feature that Java has. What is JVM? What makes JVM is the best one? JVM is the one which gives platform independence. Okay, the best feature Java has platform independence, right? Yeah. So what is Java independent? So Java is a platform independent thing, right? Yes. If you write the code in my laptop, this file will get executed in any laptop. That is the future of JVM. Okay, JVM will do the same thing and you will get the output. So I got the output, right? Yes, I got the output. That's how a program works. That's how a compiler will do the work. That's how a Java program will get executed. So many things will get work in the background, guys. Yep. Yeah. So that's all for the day, guys. Okay. So we write the first program, the Hello World program, and we got the output as well. Moti, you have to write down the notes. I won't share the notes in the WhatsApp. You have to write down the notes in our notebook. Uh, yeah. Take a screenshot fast, fast, fast. So you got to know about how to create a package and what is package. Package stores all the necessary things in it. And you got to know about what is result keyword. Result keyword matlab the keyword, the word. Okay, the word is booked for some other functions, so you can't able to use it for everything. Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you in the tomorrow session what is it and how to use it. And this is the syntax for the class. What class contains now? It contains the methods, guys. It contains the methods. Okay, and it contains the variables in it. Yeah, we will write the variables in it, and we will write the statements. What is statements? Statements are nothing but the commands, so that we are gonna give for the mission. Okay, print this one. Okay, do that work, do this work. Okay, do 2 plus 2 calculation, do 2 minus 1 calculation. These are all commands, right? Yes, those are commands called as statements, and those statements will return in a class. You have to write in a class, and you can create number of classes. And what is method? We discussed to do the specific functionality, to do the specific work, we write the specific method in it. Got it? That's it. That's it for the day, guys. So we write the hello world program successfully. Okay, follow the same thing. Simple work. Simple line of code to print my age. Okay, to print my age na. So simple code package will be returned. The first class will be created. In that first class, definitely we need a main method. Without main method now the program won't works. Okay, you can create number of classes, no matters. You have to create a method. The main method has to be there. Without main method it won't work. So what is main method, sir? In the main method only, you will call the methods. You will call the methods. You will invoke the methods. Okay, the entire program will get executed from the main method only. Okay, so my age is 10 now, and I am printing the age now. So this is a command to print the age. You can see there is a semicolon also. Here also there is a semicolon because this one is also called as a statement. Yes, this one is a statement. This one is a statement. So every statement ends with semicolon. So my age is 22 now actually. 22. Okay. My age is 22 now. And let me run. Okay. And you can see my age is 22. Got it? Yep. Yeah, guys, that's all for the day. That's all for the day. That's all for the day. Sir, when will say the topic applet? Java applets, no, Java applets and servers will comes under. Check the agenda. Check the agenda. Okay, guys, that's all for the day. See you in the tomorrow session. Take care. Bye bye. Have some good food.